Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. This is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sublimate conical tumblers using the free template that you may download from my blog. There you will find two templates, one with the design I'm going to be working with today and the other one a blank template, so you can add your own design. Also, I'm going to show you how to work with the template that already has designed and how to add design to the blank template. For that, I'm going to be using the free graphic design program Inkscape. If you don't have that program and would like to give it a try, visit their website inkscape.org and download it to your computer. And the equipment and supplies needed for this project are a printer with sublimation ink, a conical tumbler press. I will be using one of the conical presses that come with the 8-in-1 beaver heat press combo machine. Sublimation paper. I will be using PYD Live sublimation paper. And since the 16-ounce tumbler wrap is a little long, I will use A4 size, as this is a bit longer than letter size. A heat-proof surface, this to put the tumblers when we take them out of the press. And heat-proof tape. I am using PYD Live heat tape. This one is good quality, doesn't leave yellow marks, and it's affordable. In the description below, you will find the links of the equipment, supplies, and free template used in this tutorial. I'm going to start working with the design. I will be using the free graphic design program Inkscape. First, we're going to set up the size of the paper that we're going to print. Let's go to File, select Document Properties, and this window will appear on the right. And here is the list of the documents in which we can work. To print the 16-ounce tumbler wrap, I'm going to be using A4 size sublimation paper. So I'm going to select that one here. Also, we can select portrait or landscape. I'm going to select landscape. I am using A4 size because it's a little longer than the letter size, and the wrappers for the 16-ounce tumblers print perfect on this paper. With the letter size, I have noticed that the wrap corners print a little short. In the description below, I will link the PYD Live A4 sublimation paper. Before I continue with the tutorial, I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. After setting up the document or paper you're going to work with, we're going to insert the template. Go to File, click on Import, select the template you wish to use. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be using my free template. If you would like to use these templates, I invite you to visit me on my blog and download them. Here you're going to click OK. It might have resized a little, but right now we're going to adjust it. Go to the size bar above, and instead of millimeters, we're going to change it to inches. This is a wrap for an 11 or 12 ounces conical mug. And the measurements for this one will be 4.75 by 9.75. This template is smaller than the one we're going to work next, so this one can be printed on a letter size paper. After adjusting the measurements, we're going to select the paint bucket and we're going to paint the inside part. Then we're going to press the top arrow and we're going to select the main template and place it aside. We're going to work with this one. Now I'm going to show you how to insert the design on the template. Go to File, click on Import, select the design you wish to use, open it, and click OK. This design is super big because it was saved in high resolution. I'm going to go to the size bar and I'm going to resize it to 11 inches by 8.5. Now place it on top of the template and send it to the back using this icon above. Now you may resize it to your liking. Now center the design inside the template, select both layers, right-click, and click on Set Clip. And here we have the template ready to print. You can print it like that, or you may add text if you wish. Just click on the date on the left and start typing on the canvas. And here it is, ready to be printed to sublimate an 11 or 12 ounce ceramic mug. I use this template to show you how to add design to the blank templates. I'm going to select it and place it aside because next I'm going to show you how to work with a template that already has design. This one is going to be for a 16 ounces conical tumbler. Let's go to File, click on Import, select the design, open it, and press OK. It will look super big because it is in high resolution. Select it and resize it to 10.9 by 7 inches. That is the size to sublimate a 16 ounces conical tumbler. Below the template there is the name of my blog. Cut it with scissors before sublimating. See how it looks perfect inside the A4 size page. I'm going to show you how it will look in the letter size. It's super tight and the corners might cut if we print it like this. If you are printing a small design, letter size will be fine. Now that you already know how to add design to a blank template and how to work with the template that already has design, I'm going to show you how to print it. What we put here in this rectangle is printable. Whatever is outside is not going to print. Let's go to File, click on Print. Here select the sublimation printer that you are going to use. Click on Preferences. Select the size of the paper you're going to print. In this case, it's size A4. On paper type, select Premium Presentation Paper Matte. On quality, select High. If you wish, you can check Print Preview, then go to More Options. And here is very important to select Mirror Image, especially when we are printing text. Click OK and then Print. And here is how it's going to print. Make sure it's on mirror mode and that the design is inside the rectangle. If everything looks okay, click on Print. Now I'm going to show you how to save this file on your computer. Go to File, click on Export PNG Image, and you're going to see this window on the right. Click on Export and save it on a folder that is easy for you to access. Like that, you have it ready to print as many times as you need. And here is the printing to wrap and sublimate a 16 ounces conical tumbler. Time to press it. This tumbler is going to be pressed at 360 degrees for 120 seconds. And since this one is a full wrap, we're going to rotate it when it reaches 60 seconds. I'm going to show you in a little bit. Adjust to medium pressure. When 60 seconds have passed, we're going to open it and we're going to rotate the tumbler and press it for another 60 seconds. Let's reveal the design. It's beautiful. I really love it. This tumbler was pressed at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds twice, in a total of 120 seconds. This is because it's a full sublimation. If you are going to do a partial sublimation, you don't need to rotate the tumbler. Now, if you are going to press a ceramic mug, you can press it at 380 degrees for 4 minutes. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.